Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, let's go over to the settings. And here in the settings, we need to go over to the brightness. So the brightness is in the display. Now in the display, as you guys can see, the first thing that pops up is the brightness. Now here we can change the brightness level and you guys can adjust it. Now make sure to disable the adaptive brightness. It's very important to disable it. And now after that, if there are still some issues with your screen and it's flickering, then I recommend visiting the Play Store and downloading the Screen Dimmer app. So go to search here in search apps and games. Search for Screen and now the dimmer. It's the OLED saver. Now let's click on the first app right here and click on install. Now it won't install very long, so it takes like 5 to 10 seconds, as you guys can see, because the app actually weighs like 2 megabytes. So let's click on open now. Here we need to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings to adjust the brightness. Now the next one is whenever we rotate our device or use a keyboard, so it does not change. Let's click on allow. And here let's go over and enable notifications. As you guys can see here, we can enable this service just by clicking on it. It already made a difference. You guys can actually check that out here. Now the screen is very much dimmed and there's no flickering. So you guys can try this app out and let me know in the comments if it helped you. And now let's change the brightness by default. And the last one is to update your software. So go over to the settings, and here in those settings we need to go over to the bottom until we see the system updates. Now here click check for updates, and as you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software. If you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.